Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's do a quick tuition on how to iron a simple business shirt. Let's begin with the collar. So I would normally iron the collar first. So let's begin. Place the collar in the ironing board. Just gently put your iron on top. Make sure you set it on normal if it's a normal cotton shirt, and begin ironing from right to left or left to right, whichever your hand is. Our next step is to do the sleeves. So I'll just button it up that little bit there and place our sleeve nice and flat in our ironing board, making sure that there's no wrinkled or folded on the other side, so we won't crease it even more. Next step is to place our sleeves nice and flat in our ironing board, like so. And then we will iron it from left to right, in that way it's nice and smooth. So let's grab our iron and just nicely slowly around the actual button, like so. Just be careful you don't create extra creases. And then we just place the iron on top of the actual crease that's already created with the shirt. There we go. And then on the other side as well. Try not to place the iron on top of the button, otherwise you will wreck the shirt. Not only the shirt that you will wreck or damage is also your iron. So let's finish up these sleeves. Nicely crease down here. Here we go. And the next step that we do is the top, the shoulder pad or the shoulder area. You want to make sure that it's nice and flat. So I'll just do this. So place it on your ironing board, nice and flat. So when you do iron, it's nicely done. And then of course, the front half of your shirt, place neatly flat on your ironing board, and then just gently run your iron, like so. And the other thing that we need to finish up here is ironing on top of the pocket. Just a little bit of ironing, and of course your iron around or in between the buttons. Now this shirt's nicely done. And slide our shirt towards the back, and again place it nicely and neatly in your ironing board, and just run your iron where the crease area is, especially at the bottom. Seem to fold. Let's continue our work along the longer bit or the bigger piece of the ironing area. Just make sure you're not creasing extra on the bottom like I just did. Alright, let's continue finishing the back and moving forward to the front half of our shirt. Just sliding it along like so, and place it nice and flat. And of course, don't forget the shoulder section first, so it's nice and flat in between the button. Pull your shirt out and then do the pocket. Once that's done, let's finish up the front half of the shirt, like so. And there's our iron shirt. And the last little touch is the button section. in between. Now this shirt is quite easy to do because it's denim, so we didn't have a lot of crease, but you still got to be careful you don't add extra creases. Finally, we place our iron in our lovely iron shirt, like so. Now I just folded the collar. I don't like to iron it fold like so. I just like to fold it once I've ironed it, so it sets nicely on the high iron or the men's shoulder or neck. Okay, now we're done. Here is a beautiful ironed shirt. Thanks guys for watching. Enjoy and see you on my next video. This is a very difficult shirt to do. It's very wrinkly, so I will need my two hands to do this. I'm going to get my daughter to help me take a video so I can show you how I iron this shirt. Okay guys, what I do is I'm going to iron this section first, the inside of the shirt, because this is slightly difficult to do. And then of course, once that's done, put the button on. This is a very difficult shirt to do. It's very wrinkly, so I will need my two hands to do this. I'm going to get my daughter to help me take a video so I can show you how I iron this shirt. Okay guys, what I do is I'm going to iron this section first, the inside of the shirt, because this is slightly difficult to do. And then of course, once that's done, put the button on. Undo this bit, it's much more difficult. sleeve is very difficult to do because this material is very fine and it's wrinkling so badly. Place it over and do the other side. Alright, let's finish up this sleeve and I will do the other side off camera. But I just showed you how I uncreased this crazy super duper crease shirts sleeves. There you go. Fantastic. Okay, the other thing that I wanted to show you is the shirt with the lines at the back. So this one is quite simple because there are already creased as is. So all you do is run your iron along it and you'll be fine. This one is particularly slightly different. So see how you can see that there's a fold at the back? Usually what I've done is to pull the very base, the very bottom of the shirt and follow the fold, the natural fold of the actual lines at the back. But this one is particularly slightly different. So see how you can see that there's a fold at the back? Usually what I've done is to pull the very base, the very bottom of the shirt and follow the fold, the natural fold of the actual lines at the back. Like so. And just follow that all along the top. Nice and slow until it's nicely, perfectly aligned. That's very hard to see, but I'll just flick it over. See that there? There's the fold. Okay, so what I've done is I run my fingers along the very end of the shirt. It's very hard to see because of the line, but as you can see there's a fold there. So what I've done is I place the iron just on top of that. Okay guys, so that's my last shirts for today, with the fold at the back, which is very hard to see, but I will just run my fingers along and you can see that the line has been created without making extra creases. Okay, just gonna place my shirts that I've done and I just show you what they are. There we go, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 shirts. I've done 12 shirts today, so there you go. Thanks guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and enjoy my video. Until the next episode.